Hi, this is Karen. I'm with inspiredbygram.com. I just want to come on quickly to talk about my card club. This month in September, you can register to belong to club. The expiration date is going to be September 20th, 2020 at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. I am featuring Gilded Autumn Specialty Designer Series paper for September. These cards are beautiful. So let's just take a look at the designs. There's this one, My Heart is Grateful for You, and again, you'll make 2 of these. Have a beautiful day. All these die cuts are included, you guys, and there's a subtle embossed panel on top of that card base of crumb cake. All right, and here's another one here using Old World paper embossed panel. Again, we're carrying through all of these designs. I use the Gathered Leaves dies. I've got some stitch shape dies here as well. Those are the circles. And in this card, I've created it with the stitched square. And these are all punched images from the punch pack that's in this bundle. So the card club does not include any stamp sets, dies, or anything like that. It's just going to give you the consumables, except for you'll have to use your own adhesive and the inks, but I'm going to have all these die cuts out for you guys. So it's stamp sets and dies are not included, but maybe purchase at an extra as an add-on. So you would have to either go to my website, inspiredbygram.com, and hit the Shop Now button, or you can just send me an email. I can help you out there as well. So you will also receive in club every month, you get a half a pack of the designer series paper. This month you guys get the specialty paper. So this has got the gold in it and the bronze. It's just gorgeous for fall cards, you guys. And there's little pumpkins in there too. So you'll get half a pack of the specialty paper. You will also receive half a pack of the gold glittered enamel dots. All right, so these are all ready to go to you. You'll receive a full bolt of the early espresso early espresso, I can't remember what this is. Fox trim, sorry about that. This is my supply and I've used half the bolt already, but a full bolt, brand new. And you'll also receive a half a pack of the mini dimensionals. So those are all for you guys to keep. Let's see, you also get written instructions, which come to you in the mail, and they're all with our supply list, our stamping and assembly, and I do show some close-up images here of all the cards there. I will also include a supply list at the very end, and I'm going to be creating the supply list soon. But these are all printed for you and included in color. They come in the mail to you also. There's a pre-recorded video with step-by-step instructions for every kit. So and that would get emailed once your kit is emailed or mailed to you. Then I send out the YouTube private link to that. So what's the cost? The cost is only $35, you guys. You can't go wrong. Look at all this stuff you get, right? And the kits come already. Let me show you. I already have some ready to go, but they don't ship until towards the end of the month. But they'll come in either a Ziploc bag or a cello bag with labels on them. And it tells you exactly what kit you'll be working with. And there's 2 kits in every one of these bags. All right, so these are all ready to go. Look at this. I've already punched like the acorns for you guys. You can't go wrong. All right, so I'm accepting 4 more. That will be my max. So in order to register, you have to register by 8 o'clock Eastern Time on the 20th of September 2020, or until I get sold out. So all the details will be in the description box on this YouTube video. So I hope you guys join because it's a lot of fun and I love creating for you guys. All right, take care and be safe.